The instructions are, from PC0, SSH into ASW2 and add the user, student, with the password, student. That shouldn't be too difficult. We will access PC0's command prompt and attempt to SSH into ASW2. We see that it is in 172.16.1 network and its last octet is 4. As you can see, we received an error, connection refused by remote host. This error lets me know that I had layer 3 reachability to the switch. However, it is not accepting the connection from PC0. For this reason, I'm not going to try any troubleshooting methods like pinging. Let's see if we're able to SSH into any of the other devices. If a device doesn't work, we should try the same action somewhere else to see if it's centralized to that device or more widespread. We'll try CSW1 first. That worked. Let's try ASW1 next. We have now successfully SSH'd into 2 different devices. We can safely assume there is nothing wrong with PC0's settings. In the real world, it is possible to have conflicting SSH parameters on the host or network device, which would reasonably cause a connection to be refused. In networking, you must always be considering other ways to do something indirectly. If the door is closed, try the window. What I mean is if one way does not work, there may be another. Let's see. We weren't able to access ASW2 from PC0, but we are now in ASW1, and we might be able to access it from there. Success! We are now in ASW2, and we can apply the username student with the password student. I won't go into the details of how to accomplish that. There was an ACL that I placed on ASW's VTY lines to prevent PC0 from being able to SSH in. The point of the lab was to learn to pivot. This means to use another device with access to the destination device to pivot or jump. This device is known as a jump box or jump server. In this case, ASW1 was the jump box. This is definitely relevant in the context of security or hacking. One compromised machine could allow an attacker to have unchallenged access to your network, jumping from one box to another box to another.